Hello everyone. Today we got iPad 5 in the market. They call it iPad Air 1. They brought me for replacing the charging port because it's not charging properly, so we have to change it. This is the motherboard of the iPad 5. This is the battery. This is the screen. The touch screen and the screen is different or not together. They are holding back by 4 places on the motherboard, so good luck for me to change it. It's a little bit hard for changing to someone who's never been done that. This is the sticker mount. When you remove this, you will see the place that the charging port and the motherboard are well attached together. I hope you like my videos and enjoy it. If I got too many likes or views, I will post the repairing stages. Thanks for watching me. Please support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.